Drifting originated on the mountainous roads of Japan, pioneered by icons like Kunimitsu Takahashi,
the father of drifting,
and Keiichi Tsuchiya. It gained global popularity through competitions like the D1 Grand Prix. A good drift car is characterized by rear-wheel drive, ample horsepower, and balanced weight distribution. What I just described to you sounds like a beautiful feat of engineering. An aggressive yet silky smooth sports car. Some might even say the creme de la creme of drifting. But this is not it. Matter of fact, this is not it at all. This is a shitty Infiniti G35.
I feel like my life is a movie, damn, it's too easy. Can't catch me, I'm jumping the borders, hit the embassy, it's bang or die.
Why am I even fucking doing shit like that?
7 gold chains on me, call me Slick Rick. Just made an album, 7 days, that's quick. Ruby's going up and down, she's fit. Hold up, wait, on that shit.
Alright, so let me explain to you why this is such a great car while I'm actually fixing it. There's a few little things that needs to be adjusted, like the quick release ground cable. And I need to take off the airbags before they blow in my face. There's already 2 times it should have blown in my face and it didn't. I'm just gonna take off the battery and that's it. What makes a G35 so great? It's kinda a very ugly cousin of the Nissan 350Z. The reason why this is so great is that we can get them for cheaper. 350Zs are pretty much bulletproof. The engine is pretty strong. As long as you check the oil, it's gonna last forever. The whole drivetrain is really, really good in those. Should be a bolt somewhere, no? Like I said, very strong cars. Very good drift car, actually. Very expensive. There's another option. Nissan also made these cars that are quite way uglier. Basically, this is a ugly looking 350Z. It's an Infiniti G35. It has the same engine, the same transmission, the same diff. So it's a very low value 350Z. So you can find like an ugly one like this one that has a lot of bundle for very, very cheap. Damn it. No! Why did you fall on the rail? Let's go with this to make the cheapest seat time car as possible to prove that you don't need much money to have fun. Okay, so now it's gonna start to get a little bit scary. Not only because if the airbag triggers right now, I'm running into that seat, but you only live once. So that's 1 off, that's 2 off, 3 off. That little box with the yellow connectors, it's called the SRS module. So it's like the airbag modules. And now we're gonna see if whenever I put the power on the car, if it's gonna blow up or not. So hopefully it's not gonna blow up. It's gonna make good content if it blows up, so whatever. Positive on. Let's put the ground on and see if it blows up. Nope. That's good. Let's see whenever I put the car on if it blows up. This is the scary one because the other one, if it blew up, at least I wasn't close to the car. But this one, I'm actually right on the cars. Okay, so best case, if we got it, the airbag light is gonna come on. Worst case, the airbag are gonna blow in my face. Well, there's no SRS light as per se, but the airbag light is on. I think we got it. And it drifts quite well. But we already broke it. So, gotta fix that first. The viscous differential tends to not lock anymore, so we welded the diff. Fucking
This shit ass fucking ring.
Excuse me?
You didn't steal this from Suncor, did you?
That sounds like clutch kicking third right there.
Oh! Fuck, man, it's a ripper for what it is. We already broke it. Great drift car. So it's 6 days later now. I decided to just completely fuck that bolt. So I tried to go to the junkyard and just go get another one. I gotta go under this thing, dude. Defeated. I actually have to spend $14.
RIP the budget build.
And that went pretty well. Why would you put a fucking sway bar link right there, right where the bolt is. And after a little bit of reflection, I thought it would be a good idea to just buy one from Rock Auto since they're pretty cheap. Cost $42 with shipping. It's fucking bullshit. It's 2 bolts. The fuck? Put it in an envelope and shit and fucking post it to me. Don't fucking. It's gonna come in a box this big for 2 fucking bolts. Came in a box this big so they can put their fucking pamphlet that are saying like what special is going on. I don't give a fuck what special. You gotta sum it. $2 of fitting, $20 of fucking shipping. That's where we are in the adventure. Like I said, it's a great drift car, but can definitely be better. There's a few little easy things that we can do to adjust that. Let me tell you while I actually go drifting. So we're almost at the local racetrack. It looks dry. We had a lot of snow. It might be snow. I'm on summer tires, so hopefully no. Fuck, man, there's snow here. All right, we'll try. There's a little bit of snow, but we should be fine. Man, it's so patchy. It's fucked. Like this, like I'm on snow right now, so it's like a mix between like snow and fucking asphalt. There's so much snow. But drift's good. Like the only thing that I say like really needs to be improved is it doesn't have a lot of angle. A little bit of snow here, so I think it wide so don't hit the snow. And that's really just what the welded did. There's no coilover, no nothing on this. A little bit of snow. Stock power, stock everything, and like, as you can see, it does the job. Just gotta throw it a little bit harder than you would. Like I said, I think I have some ideas on how to fix this and keep it very, very budget. See, now I can do the line without the snow. A little bit of snow. There we go. Now we're good. So yeah, there's a very easy way to fix this. There's a very easy way to fix this that we're gonna get into the next video. But this was just to show you that it is very easily possible to drift, and fuck, the temp didn't even move, so it is a very easy drift car to get into. Like I said, you just weld the diff, there's nothing else, man. I have a fucking aftermarket steering and a shifter, that's it. So just so I can validate my point, I'll show you how bad it is out there. So this is what we're working with right now. So you can see it's a bunch of mix of like asphalt with snow. I had the snow there a few times, and right at the transition point right here, there's snow. So it's not ideal. And right at this transition point, there's snow. So you gotta let go and just keep going. It's so weird. A little bit of ice here. So throw yourself. A little bit of snow here. So it is quite horrible, but it still worked enough to show you what I meant about the lack of angle. The power is good. We'll fix the lack of angle. Another component, whenever you drift with someone, it's there's no handbrake on this, so it's pretty hard to be able to keep your distance. But we'll jump into the specific on how to fix that on the next episode. I hope you enjoyed this episode. This was a little bit thrown together. It's just that it's a cool little project car because it's easy to get into drifting with one of those. And if you really enjoyed it, please leave a like and subscribe to let us know that you enjoyed it, and we'll see you in the next one.